In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Facebook name into stylish fonts. This is the easiest way and the only fonts that are accepted in Facebook. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to be updated on my upcoming videos, especially all about Facebook. First thing we need to do is to open your Google Chrome browser and then just go to the facebook.com and then just log into your Facebook account. So after you log into your Facebook account, just click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right and then just scroll down below, and as you can see there, the settings, just click on the settings and then just go to the personal information and then click on your name. Okay, so that's how you can change your Facebook name. But for us to be able to put a stylish font, so all we have to do is to go to Play Store and then just search for the FB Stylish Name Maker app. So make sure that you will install the right application. So this is the logo of the application. Then just click on it and install this application. So after you install the FB Stylish Name Maker application, just click on the open and then you can see there the FB Stylish Name Maker. So just click on the FB Stylish Name Maker and then you can add the text here that you want to convert. So just write there your full name including your last name or whatever name that you want other people to see you in your Facebook account. So after you write that, just click on the convert text and then you can see the 6 styles of fonts that you can use in your Facebook name and the only fonts that are acceptable in Facebook. So Facebook is very strict in this kind of fonts, especially in our name. So whatever you choose, just click on the copy on the right side. So after you copy the text, just go back to your Facebook account in the Google Chrome browser. So you can do this in the Facebook application directly. So you can only do this in the Google Chrome browser. Alright, so just paste it under your first name and just remove the last name. And then the middle name is just optional. And then just paste it again in your last name. And then just remove the first name. So right. So please note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again in 60 days. So make sure to change your name and that you're final with that name. So after that, just click on review change and then just choose on how your name will appear in your profile. So if you want your first name first or your last name first. So again, please take note that you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. So if you're final with this, just input your Facebook password and then just click on the save changes. So that's it. So we already changed our name with a stylish font. So let's check our profile. Alright, so as you can see that we already changed our name with a stylish font. Alright, so if you're a small YouTuber or just starting YouTube, just comment down below and let's support each other. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.